Hi guys! In this video I will show you how to send the simplest request in JMeter. JMeter is a load testing tool. That is, using JMeter we create a load for the site that we are testing. One tester can simulate the behavior of one person on the site. But we can simulate the behavior of 10, 100 or 1000 users using JMeter. So now we go to the folder and run JMeter. Wait some time until JMeter loaded. We need to add users. We do it like this. Here will be shown the number of users that we want to launch on the site, the time during which they visit the site, and the number of repetitions. Next, we will add fields where we will enter the site address. In this field, I write the protocol by which the request will be made. This is most often HTTPS, but sometimes sites with HTTP protocol come across. This is an outdated protocol, but it is found. For performance testing, I picked up such a useless site. Copy its address. Protocol should be removed from here. Everything that follows after the name of the site is called the path. I cut the path and paste it into the field below. Here we see that the get method is the default. We leave it like that. Get is the most used method for sending a request. Further, in order to more clearly observe the test results, add view results tree. Now I will start one user who will log in within a second. And this action will be only once. I was asked whether to save a result. I refused. Here is our user. The request is done. I can go in and see the request parameters. I see code 200. It means everything is okay. Now I will send 100 users to the site, which will be added within 10 seconds. Such a cycle will be executed one time. Start execution and see what will happen next. This time I will save the results. Requests are being processed. There you can see their progress. Received all positive responses to send requests. The server responded to each of the 100 users. Send 1000 users to the server in 10 seconds. Such situation can occur which online stores during the start of the sale. Clear the previous result. Start. Follow the progress. Scroll down and what do we see? The server has not responded to some users. And finally, we will send 10,000 users to the server in 10 seconds and see what happens. The first requests are executed. And now the server crashes. It cannot process such a flow of lines. I want to remind you that in order to fulfill such a number of requests, you must have a good internet speed at computer that is not too old, since the load goes the same way on the processor. Let's check. How is the state of the site that we tested? Update the page. I see that not all the pictures have loaded. They are loading slowly, since the server has not yet recovered from so many visitors. I think now you understand what load testing is for and how to carry it out at the simplest level. In the next lesson, I will tell you how to model user behavior on the site. This time our users, just came to the site and did nothing there. Therefore, subscribe the channel and put likes. Bye guys.